This is your FabFitFun starter box. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I never really expected anybody to subscribe or anything, and I only have one subscriber so far, so thanks, Bev. Mostly it's just to give you guys some information about these starter kits and starter boxes that I just so happen to be getting at the same time. This box right here. This is my FabFitFun starter box. It's like Christmas 4 times a year. So if you subscribe, it is a $49.99 box 4 times a year. So it's a quarterly box for each season. Really cool. They have home products, beauty, lifestyle, travel, all types of things. It's geared more towards women, obviously. Men, if you like luxury products, then I mean, hey, go for it. This is over $200 worth of product. I've seen Orbe in here, which at the salon I used to work at was our luxury line, and it is phenomenal. And I think if you upgrade to like their select program, you get like earlier shipping and more ability to customize your box, which is really cool. If you want to just start out with your starter box and see if you like it, then that's great. So I was gifted this box by my friend Alyssa, so I only had to pay for shipping. So I'm just gonna try this box out and see. Anthony's mom loves this box, and Alyssa apparently has had this box for years, so she really likes it. And I've only heard good things about it. Celebrities, I know you've seen them do their unboxings and things on Instagram or Facebook. I cannot wait to get started. So here we go. Here it is one more time for you guys to see. Really cute inside. For starters, you get your little FabFitFun guide, I guess. It's like a little magazine. So it just talks to you about things that are in here, and it says the perks of your box. You know, they have an app, they have community forums, which is really cool. They have giveaways, talks about your customization, your select membership, and add-ons. With the add-ons, it's pretty much like you can add more products on, and you get to choose those things before other people get to see them if you have a certain membership. And the adventure begins. We are super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a member. Top rated products. Don't forget that the next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing. It retails for $136. So I got this box for free. And I paid only shipping. $136 value. It says that I got 4 products in here. The underside of the magazine thing that's in there. I like that they don't crowd their boxes with a lot of tissue paper. First product, Spongel Beach Grass Beyond Cleansing. It's a multi-use body wash infused buffer. Body wash and buffer, dermatologist tested. Cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. You place the sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin, and squeeze out the excess water after each use. So it says the exfoliating texture of the sponge will instantly change into a soft, silky one as you cleanse and moisturize your body. I think this is what is making my box smell so good. This is really cute. Oh my God. It's pretty intense for me. I'm really sensitive to smells. I mean, it still smells really good. And it's really sturdy. I mean, it doesn't feel cheap at all. So I'm excited to use this. I have to hide it from Anthony so he doesn't use it on his man body. And that retails for $16. So next is the black eye mask and hyaluronic acid. It's a 5-pack. Retails for $29. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and see what it looks like inside. Like I said, there's 5 in here. I love under eye masks. I have some gold ones upstairs and I really like them. So the instructions aren't on here, but they're on the box. So don't throw the box away if you get these, just so you know how to do it if you've never used these before. So these are cute. I like this. And 5 of them, I mean, I got this box for free, guys. Like, I just can't. I just can't. The Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. So this is a special size, limited edition. It's Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This mineral-rich hand cream instantly smooths rough, dry skin and restores suppleness. And this retails for $33. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. This smells really good. And it's paraben-free and approved for sensitive skin. Wow, this is nice. Smells great. Smells almost like baby powder. So, like I said, $33 for this, and it is 5.1 fluid ounces. So, I mean, this is really nice for free, basically. Next product is a Summer and Rose Celine Crossbody in black. So, I adore crossbodies. In general, I have a ton. I'm so in love with the one that I've been using for like the past year and a half that I just can't give it up. Hopefully this one will change my mind. This retails for $58. So even if this was my first box in my subscription, if I just paid $49.99, I got just this product right here is worth more than that. So I can only imagine how great the other products are gonna be. But this is what it looks like. So this is really nice, just a fold in, easy access. And it's a really good size, as you can see. I mean, like, that's a really good size. Little strap. Show you guys. It's got a little pocket here. Yeah, I mean, it's a really nice size. I mean, I can fit a lot of stuff in here. I don't have really anything in here to compare. We'll just compare this. I mean, yeah, it's nice, not too bulky. I like it. I'm probably gonna use it really soon. So, I mean, $136 value, and I got 4 products, really nice products. Ladies, gentlemen, whoever, this is great. So, FabFitFun. Try it. If you like it, great. Go ahead with your subscription. I think they do a trial box for $19.99. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. But yeah, so try it out. See if you like it. I love it. So somebody's awake. So really quick before she demands all of my attention, I think it's great. I love, love, love the products. I probably won't be doing the subscription. I am doing Young Living essential oils and trying to rid, you know, my products of additional toxins and fragrances. Little baby over here is super sensitive to pretty much anything and everything that I have. I even had to wash my hands really quick to get all of that moisturizer off. As nice as it is, it's just not for me. Don't get me wrong, this box is amazing for the price that you're gonna be spending. So if it's something that you think is worth it, then absolutely go for it. They have more than beauty products, like I said. So, you know, I'll be keeping the crossbody, of course, and that little sponge I do want to try out just to see how it feels and if it's cool or not. But other than that, yeah, I probably won't, you know, be too into the other stuff. Well, thanks for watching. I will have another unboxing after this. I probably won't post it today. What is going on with my hair? But it is for my Young Living Essential Oils Starter Kit. I am getting into that side of things. And if you're interested after that, then I'll just follow up with stuff like that in the next video. So stick around, subscribe if you want to, you don't have to. I'll still be posting the video, so you'll still have access to watch it on Facebook. So yeah, thanks for watching. You say bye?